With electric vehicle purchases on the rise, the electric grid is being asked to do things it was not designed to do. Fast charging for electric vehicles can put enormous stress on the grid, and these short-duration loads can result in the need of costly distribution reinforcements. In addition, fast charging sites can be burdened by high demand charges from just a few charges per month. One thing we can't do is curb or slow the chargers. Fast charging is a necessary part of the transition to electric vehicles, and ensuring the charge is there when needed is critical for a positive customer experience.
Yeah, peaky fast charging is a major problem. So essentially this is just a native feature of how cars consume power. They essentially have a very large power spike at the beginning of their charge curve when the battery is most ready to receive electrons. When you have multiple chargers and multiple cars charging at a single fast charging station, you see these very short temporary spikes add up. PowerNode completely levels that load. PowerNode makes EV fast charging more ubiquitous and affordable simply by allowing our customers to install EV fast charging stations wherever they like. Normally, power is not available at these locations, and PowerNode complements the grid to bring premium EV fast charging to locations where customers are with their cars. It ultimately just comes down to the core value add of lowering the grid connection required for a fast charging station. So our technology lowers the grid requirements by a factor of 5. That means you pay for 5 times less power, but you still get all the performance of a high power fast charging station.
Utilities need confidence that PowerNode works as a non-wire solution. Electric Era shipped out a functioning PowerNode unit to the EPRI HQ in Knoxville, Tennessee, along with key members of their team. Utilities have always been focused on reliability metrics, so testing the Electric Era unit in all possible scenarios was critical to instilling confidence with future customers. The pilot utilized a working PowerNode unit with a combination of real DCFC stations and load banks to see how the PowerNode responds to grid supply changes and vehicle demand.
Utilities are aligned around Electric Era's core mission statement of making EV fast charging ubiquitous and affordable. They benefit from that, and they chose Electric Era along with EPRI to demonstrate what a storage solution to the peak power problem of EV fast charging looks like in their service territories. So we're very fortunate and excited to partner with utilities to solve this incredibly important problem.
Distribution upgrades can take time and slow or disrupt the pace of electrification. Central Hudson, like most utilities, will be looking for ways to meet EV charging needs in a cost-effective and timely manner. We'll be looking for innovative ways to meet these loads, including through integrated charge management and storage solutions.
The installation came together pretty quickly. The equipment came to our EPRI Knoxville lab, and the Electric Era team came and installed their rectifier modules into the cabinet. Within 3 days, they had done all the electrical connections, communications, instrumentation, and commissioning.
We completed several demonstration tests, simulating EV charging load at the EPRI site from 20 to 50, all the way to 100 charging sessions per day. Our testing found that PowerNode can sustain peak power charging demand for over 93% of EV drivers, even at high utilization. We also conducted a number of tests in accordance with ESIC guidelines to validate energy storage safety.
The industry often relies on familiarity with a product and the experience of others, so having this product publicized through the EPRI ribbon cutting and debuted to 34 million people is a huge deal. The next step is ramping up production and design optimizations while certification is underway.
Our business is set to grow immensely over the next decade as the tide of electrification rises. As more EVs come to the road, we need more EV fast charging, and we will strain the grid even more. We have an end-of-decade goal of having over 10,000 PowerNodes installed around the country, providing premium and affordable fast charging for our partners and customers all over the nation and all over the world.
Coupling battery storage with EV fast charging is a no-brainer, but it can be challenging to implement. This demonstration project shows that the right approach can be effective and economic for the utility, the site hosts, and the EV drivers. With this information, we can build into our electrification program these alternatives with confidence that they will work as intended.